Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning to all. Thank you very much for inviting me here. The question is too big. It's the status. A lot of ways to answer that. But if the question can I answer in such a way that you can replace the question?
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Kasi status ng RME, ganun pa din. The RME under RA 7920 is what you call the Registered Master Electrician. And the Registered Master Electrician in the Professional Regulation Commission are called professionals. So you now belong to the Professional Regulation Commission, and if you guys are RME and active with a valid license, then you belong to the professional code. That is the status of the RME even in the ASEAN arena.
Thank you very much, sir. Okay. Sir Parot, Professional Practice Committee. So, paano natin how do we professionalize? It's a good thing that, it's a good reminder for Engineer Mapili that RM is still professional in a sense. Sir, what do we mean when we say professional practice when it comes to RME? And how do we move it forward, move it to the next level, sir?
Bakit ang bigat ng mga question mo?
Good morning, everybody.
Bigat yata ang question.
Ano lang yun, sir? View. We're just establishing the view.
Your Professional Practice Committee is tasked to oversee the practice of everybody who are members of the institute. So whether you are an RME, you are a PE, REE, if there are complaints against you, following our rules in handling complaints, then it will be acted upon by the PPC. So, in the eyes of the PPC, because we are guardians of the practice, wala tayong pinapaboran. All is fair as far as the PPC is concerned. So, kung mayroong reklamo, whether you are a national officer, you are a regional governor, or whoever, in the eyes of the PPC, it is level. Walang pabor dyan kasi you are a national officer, may bentaha ka. It's not. The PPC will treat everybody as equals with regards to complaints. And kung meron mang mga nagreklamo, ang dami nga nagreklamo, so there are complaints against RME, meron din mga RME nagko-complain against national officers, we treat them equally. Walang pabor. Walang pabor. So, that we can assure you that your PPC is fair to everybody, regardless of the license or regardless of your status in the as officer or whatever. Walang pabor yan. It's fair. Did I answer that?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Okay. Tapos after ko mag-questions, we're not doing last question na lang po ako. Tapos we're now ready to accept the questions of the audience. Okay, last question, sir. Sa Lela po tayo, kay Sir Leo. Sir Leo, where do we go from here? 17 and 20 has been here for so long. What's the proposal of INE?
Okay, good morning everybody.
Good morning, sir.
I would just like to introduce some of the members of the LELAC. Here is Leno Rania. Palabas, Richard. Sa labas. Okay, where do we go from here? You have those who are active in the practice. If you heard about House Bill 4325 being sponsored by Congressman Abayod and being introduced from the other group, which is SIMI, I'm not sure if some of you are members of the CIMI. And we have also our version filed. So that is House Bill 5826 and Senate Bill 2963. No? So these are the versions of IIEE. We have been working this for more than 10 years to have this law being filed in both Congress. And kung nabasa nyo yung law, the law states there that there is an RIE, there is an RLE, and new RMEs will remain as RMEs. I will explain first bakit nagkaganon. Because kung tutuusin natin, the registered master electrician, dapat master ka talaga. Master ka. And there are graduates, fresh graduates, who took the board exam and pass the RME na walang experience actually. And you can accept that. That's the fact, that's the reality under RAC 920. So sinabi namin, if you want to be a master, dapat master ka talaga. Paano, tatawagin kang master tapos hindi mo kilala ang breaker. Anong rating ng breaker? And that's reality now. That's reality now. So, we started that way. There is a registered industrial electrician and there is a registered line electrician. We come up with that registered line electrician because that's the clamor also of the linemen sa mga electric cooperatives. So wala silang lisensya. And this is also a concept of Congressman Masungsong. In fact, he has a bill filed already which acknowledges the training of linemen and the licensing should be through our law. Pero through the consultations with your group, with your officers, okay, nag-give up kami. We will remain one license. Kasi kung if you could remember, you could monitor on the Facebook, ang daming tinitira na wala si RME, tinanggal si RME ni IIE. No, misconception, misleading sa inyo. Wala namang sinabing tinanggal yung RME ha. Nandiyan pa rin. Buhay pa rin kayo. Pero dapat, ang inano lang namin, because we wanted you to level up, gusto namin na ang master is really a master. Bakit tawagin kang master? Kung hindi mo nga kilala yung breaker. So, yun. With the consultations from your group, we revised the sections of the practice. And it is now going back to RME, but with much higher qualifications and experience required bago siya makakuha ng RME. Lucky for you, na RME na kayo. Kahit walang kilala kayo sa electrical, master pa rin kayo hanggang ngayon. Lisensyado kayo. Lisensyado kayo. So, that remains your lifetime title as registered master electricians. Hopefully, yung master niyo talagang i-master ninyo. Kasi, master kayo eh. Talo nga si RE sa iyo kasi master kayo eh. Wala namang registered master electrical engineer eh. Yung mga master dapat is master. Yun lang ang ano namin. We will have to work professionally. Huwag nating i-abuso naman yung lisensya natin. Thank you.
Okay, so it's a good note, no, na RME will remain RME. Okay, I will reserve my questions later. Now I'm open for the floor for the questions. Let's limit questions one person at a time. Please be direct kung sino yung gusto yung sumagot na question. The mic is now open.
First, I would just like to introduce Richard.